Hello, you guys. I want to give a disclaimer. I thought my video was like recording me as I was washing the dishes, but as you can see, I had already finished washing the dishes. Those dishes that's in the sink, it was just basically some cups and stuff like that. The last bit of dishes that I had left over, but unfortunately, I did not catch the part of me washing the actual dishes. But as you can see, the before picture it shows you the before, the way the kitchen looked it, and as of now I'm just just finishing up the kitchen, and that's basically it. And like I said, it didn't take me long at all, and I hope you guys enjoy. Continue watching.